This is Chapter 3, Movement Components and Skill Development. I am going to divide this to two quick videos. So this is video 1. We have some learning objectives here. One is that we're going to do or learn basic movement components. We're going to implement those in development of locomotor, which propels people from one place to the other, non-locomotor, which makes you stationary, and then manipulative movement, which uses equipment. We're going to understand the different levels of all of these skills, and we're going to learn how to adapt these activities in the gym or your classroom or free play. First of all, we need to understand body movements. That is the way the body moves or the activities of the body. So we have the categories of locomotor movements, non-locomotor movements, again stationary, and manipulative movements. These are the framework upon which all movement categories are based. So if we look first at locomotive movements, it's movements that, again, propels a mover around a specific area. It's your walk, run, gallop, which is a step close, slide, jump, which lands on both feet, not one foot, hop. Then we have skip, which is a step hop, or you can use it as a verbal cue, long, short, and then we have leap. We have the beginner level, which will be best taught if you can remember from the last chapter, individually, with a partner, and then in a group, and then we're looking at intermediate and advanced. So we have an example here of a vertical jump, and this is what a beginner level would be, or an intermediate or advanced. So just take a look at this and understand what a beginner looks like, what an intermediate person looks like, and an advanced. Remember, it's not really truly based on age, but how skilled the mover is. We also want to learn some cue words. You will be using this in the activities that you will be teaching. So cue words for jumping would be first squat, the arms back or swing the arms back, reach for the stars, and then jump. So those are cue words. And then you see description. And of course, when you end it, you land soft. Then we're going to talk about some non-locomotor movements. These are a list. Make sure you understand these, because when you take your quiz, it'll give you an examples or list non-locomotor movements. So you need to really look at these so that you will have an idea of what these movements are. Then we have manipulative skills, which typically has to do with equipment. And it also can be something as simple as tying your shoe or zipping up a jacket. Looking at beginner level, intermediate, and advanced. And here's an example of an overhand throw. Again, take a look at this in the book before you take the quiz so that you have an idea of what a beginner, and an intermediate, and advanced student would do. This is going to be my last slide, just to make this video shorter. Is dribbling using feet. Cue words is easy tap, which contact the ball softly. Catch with the arch of the foot. Use the inside of the foot to contact the ball. Cuddle the ball, or you can say actually kick with shoelaces. This is the end of part 1 on movement components.